Hey guys, what's happening? It's a nice sunny day. Maybe try to get outside. I know it's like 30 and not super warm, but try to get some sunshine today. It might make you feel better. Anyways, I got some questions about this stoichiometry and molarity stuff. So we got this equation right here. This is formic acid. It's going to react with calcium hydroxide. We get water and calcium formate at the end. Now, first things first, we got to balance the equation, but you guys all know that. This one's not too bad. One thing about formic acid is this is the acidic hydrogen. That's the one that's going to get rid of. And so here, what we end up with is we need 2 of these and 2 of these, and we're done. Great, that wasn't so bad. So I said, what is the concentration? Remember, brackets is concentration, and concentration is measured in molarity. Those are the same thing. So there you go. What's the molarity of calcium formate? Well, now we got to figure out what calcium formate is. It's not this, and it's not that. That's water. Know that. This is calcium. It has calcium in it. This has calcium in it. Which one is calcium formate? Well, if you remember, this is calcium hydroxide. All right, so not it. It's going to be this one over here. It's going to be, what is that concentration, that product that we made? So let's work our way through this. Now, when we start talking about volume of water, here, as we read through this question, there's 500 milliliters of this acid that we're going to work with. That is going to be our volume. We're going to assume that the amount of water that's made is negligible, like it's not really going to affect this volume, okay? This is a solid. Volume's not going to increase from there. This is aqueous, which means it's dissolved in the water. So let's go through this. So we're going to do stoichiometry first. Got to figure out how much formic acid we have. Well, we have 0.500 liters, and you know that because 500 milliliters converted to liters is this, times we get 0.50 moles over 1 liter. So something looks like that, because that's our concentration, right? Boom, right there. As we do this, this is HCOOH. Half of a half is a quarter, so we get 0.25 moles HCOOH. Now we're going to take that 0.25 moles of, I'm going to say formic acid, just so, well, no, I won't confuse you guys here. I'll write it all out. We get HCOOH. There we go. No big deal. As we go through this, we get 2 moles HCOOH for every 1 mole calcium. It's a long one. Formate. All right. So what's half of a quarter? Okay, that's an eighth, and so that's 0.125 moles of calcium formate. Get something like this. Now we got to do concentration, so our little bracket here, we're going to get 0.125 moles. See, we got it from right there, 0.125 moles, divided by, our total volume is still a half a liter. We haven't added any water to it. So we get something that looks like this. So 0.125 divided by half, which means 0.125 times 2, goes back to, we get 0.25 molar calcium formate. And there we go. Hopefully this helps you out. Well, there we are. Now we can see that answer, right? Okay. Email me if you have any questions. Good choices are smart choices. Smart choices are good choices, especially because it's spring break and you don't get to see my face for a week. So sorry about that. Anyways, I'll see you guys, or you'll see my face in about a week.